Welcome you in bio class. I am going to explain nervous system of cockroach. Nervous system of cockroach consists of a series of fused, segmentally arranged ganglia. Segmentally arranged ganglia. So these ganglia are present in the head region, in the thorax region, and in the abdomen region. There, ganglia which present in the head region, that will form the brain of cockroach. Here, in the head region, this is the brain of the cockroach. This portion is called brain of the cockroach. This brain of the cockroach consists of supraesophageal ganglion. So these portions are supraesophageal ganglion. There are two supraesophageal ganglion, that is in the anterior region. It is large and bilobed. It is located in the head above the esophagus. Now, there are subesophageal ganglion. This portion is subesophageal ganglion. Subesophageal ganglions are located below the esophagus, and in the posterior, this is the posterior part of the brain. Now supraesophageal ganglion and subesophageal both are connected. So this portion is called circumesophageal commissure. Now from the subesophageal ganglion to ventral nerve cord, that is the mid-ventral nerve cord, that is arise, and it has extended to the posterior part of the body. It is passing through the abdomen, it is passing through the thorax and then abdomen. So when it is passing through the thorax and abdomen, it has ganglia. There are three ganglia are present in the thorax region. You know, thorax has divided into, this is the protothorax, again mesothorax and metathorax. So these three ganglia are present in the thorax. So this is the protothoracic ganglia, mesothoracic ganglion, and metathoracic ganglion. After that, there 6 ganglion are present in the abdomen region. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So this is the first abdominal ganglion, second abdominal ganglion, third abdominal ganglion, fourth abdominal ganglion, fifth, and this is the sixth or last abdominal ganglion. So these brain and nerve cord, this is the ventral nerve cord. So ventral nerve cord is double. So there is, this is the one, and other is second one, this one. So there are two nerve cord. That's why it is called ventral nerve cord, double nerve cord. This brain consists of supraesophageal ganglion, subesophageal ganglion, and circumesophageal connective. Again, thoracic ganglion and abdominal ganglion, nerve cord. They will form the central nervous system of cockroach. Now, peripheral nervous system consists of nerves arising from the central nervous system as from the brain their nerves arise. These nerves are going to the eyes, that is called optic nerves. Like this to the antenna, then that is called antennary nerves. To the mandibular nerves. To the maxillary nerves. To the labial nerves. So to the different mouth part, nerves are going, which arise from the brain. Again, in the thorax region, their nerves arise. The nerves from the thoracic ganglion arise, and they are going to the muscles present in the thorax region. Nerves which arise from the abdominal ganglion, they are going to the muscles of the abdominal region, to the abdominal body wall. So these nerves will form the peripheral nervous system. Again, sympathetic nervous system, it includes frontal, hypocerebral, inguinal and proventricular ganglion, plus frontal connective, recurrent nerves and median nerves connective. So you have to study nervous system of the cockroach has three parts. One is the central nervous system, second is peripheral nervous system, third one is sympathetic nervous system. Central nervous system consists of brain, ganglion present in the thoracic region and the abdominal region, and nerve cord which emerges from the subesophageal ganglion. Peripheral nervous system made up of different nerves which arise from the brain and ganglion of thoracic and abdominal regions. And sympathetic nervous system consists of frontal, hypocerebral, proventricular ganglia and frontal connective, recurrent nerves, median nerves.